Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, let's introduce ourselves. My name is Cinta.
My name is Zalfa. My name is April.
My name is Alia.
My name is Arsi.
My name is Bima.
Today we will make how to make spin ice cream and enjoy the video.
Before we get into the ingredient and tools, we want to apologize because in the ingredient video we used the wrong salt. The correct salt to make this spin ice cream is coarse salt. If you use table salt, then it will fail. We have replaced it during the ice cream making process.
The ingredients are 1 packet of coarse salt, 3 sachets of condensed milk, 2 sachets of chocolate milk powder, 1 packet of ice cubes, a little bit of plain water and warm water. The tools are a can, basin, drill, glass, spoon, and bowl. Firstly, put 2 sachets of milk chocolate powder into the glass. Secondly, add 3 sachets of condensed milk and then add a little warm water. Stir until well mixed and add enough plain water and stir again. And then put ice cubes around the can or in the basin. After that, sprinkle coarse salt over the ice cubes. Next, put the dough that has been made earlier into the can. And then turn on the drill and cover the can using a cloth so that it doesn't squirt anywhere. After about 3 minutes, turn off the drill and check the dough whether it has hardened or not. If it has hardened but only the edges, scrape the ice and continue to turn on the drill again until it's all hardened. About 10 minutes, probably all the dough has hardened. Scrape the ice cream into a bowl. And finally, the ice cream is ready to eat.